Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a maybe fun video. Some people probably don't find this interesting, but I know that I'm always like finding myself clicking on these types of videos, like unboxing videos, so I thought I would just record it, and if you want to watch it you can, and if you don't then click out right now. I decided to post this along with another video, so I'm posting it twice this week just because I know that this video is not extremely interesting. So yeah, if you want to watch it then just keep watching it, and if you don't then come back on Monday and I'll have a different video for you here to watch. So let's just get into the video. So if you watched my other FabFitFun unboxing video, you probably already know how this is gonna go. First, I'm just gonna open it. I haven't looked at it yet. So, the inside of it is really cute. So here we have some advertisements for some other things. Now we have this little catalog thing. This is what tells me what's in the box, so if I want to read about it, I can. So I'm just gonna set that right there. So it says the total value of this box is anywhere depending on what you got in the box, because you can like select different things. It's somewhere between $270 and $468. So I'd say that's a really good deal because I paid, well, I didn't pay, my mom paid $50 for this box. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. Okay, so the first thing I see is this Vicks Paula Hermione Lotus towel. I can't really spread it all out, but I can like put a better picture in right here. So it is just this towel. I don't know if you like can take it to the beach. It feels really soft, like not like a cheap beach towel, so I'm not really sure if you're supposed to take it to the beach or not, because it feels like microfiber, but it's in this really cute shape. You probably just saw it in the photo, and it's blue and goldish, and it's really big, and I think that this would be really cute to like take to the beach or even just by the pool and like take pictures on it. There's the first thing. This is worth $50. Would I pay $50 for this? No. But I got it in a box for $50 with a bunch of other things in it, so yeah, that's a good deal. Okay, next I just pulled out this. It is makeup setting spray, which I just bought some of this. Not this exact brand, but like I just bought setting spray at Ulta, so I might not use this for a while, but eventually when I run out of my other setting spray, I definitely will. Oh my gosh, I can't get this open. So it's by the brand Kula, which I see is, why is this not coming out? Whoa, it sounds like, spray paint? Yeah, spray paint, that's what it's called. It sounds like spray paint. Can you hear that? Okay, this is, oh, here we are. This is the Kula Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray. That's a really long name. I'm just gonna spray some. Ooh, it smells like chemicals. No, it smells like sunscreen. No, I wouldn't use this because I don't use like sunscreen on my face. I use something else. So I probably wouldn't use this in summer because then my face would not get tan while the rest of my body is when I'm in the sun. But I'll see if my mom wants this because she loves products with sunscreen in them. But that is worth $36. So we're already at an added total of $86. The next thing I pulled out is this Grace and Stella Rose Spray. Okay, so it's rose facial spray, and again, this is something my mom would really like because she's obsessed with all this like rose hip oil or something like that. And it says, craving a midday refresher? Yes, I am. Just a spritz of the rose infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. And it is worth $26. So I can't add that fast in my, I can't add that quick in my head, but we're up there with the value of everything in the box. Ooh, it's pink. Okay, I'm gonna use this right now. Ooh, that smells pretty good. Okay. Yeah, I actually would say... I'm really confused because I don't know why I just did not complete that sentence. I think I accidentally deleted the rest of that sentence, so carry on. All right, next I pull out this Jennifer Zion. I don't know how to say that. I'll just show you. It looks like that. That's the name of it. Oh, it's just a little necklace, I think. Okay, it's just a double little necklace. So let's open it up so I can just see exactly what this is, because I'm kind of confused. Oh no, it's getting tangled already and I just took it off. So it's like a choker, it looks like. I can't figure this out right now. I'm gonna try to untangle it later, and I will insert a picture of it on me right here. Oh, and that was worth $50? $50 for a freaking necklace that comes tangled? Not worth it. Well, good thing I didn't pay full price for it. Okay, next I just pulled out these little ponytails, the little like scrunchy ones, and I'm not going to explain these because they're kind of self-explanatory, but I am gonna open them just because I have to open everything. So yeah, they're just these little scrunchy small ponytails. I have a lot of these, but I don't have any small ones. There's 3 clear ones and 3 tannish ones. So there are those, and those are worth $16. Okay, next is this Generation Clay Mask. Brightening Purple Clay Mask. That's cool, that's cool. Okay, let's read about this. It says, packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. And it's purple. Wait, let's see. Is it actually like purple? Oh! Be right back. Okay, sorry for that short interruption. Yeah, it's purple, and I just squirted it all over. But it's okay, it actually came out of my bed really easily. If you can't tell, I'll try to show you. Can you see it like right here? It is purple, so I'm excited to make my face purple. But it's kind of messy, it just squirts everywhere, so that's kind of dangerous. Okay, after that fiasco, I have 3 things left. So, ooh, what we have here, I'll show you the box. This is a felt message board from XO Sienna. Let's see how much this is, because I feel like this would be expensive. $35. Ooh, this is a nice one, and it smells like wood. I used to have one of these, but it was like pink and it just like didn't match my walls exactly, so it looked really bad on the wall because they were like 2 different shades of pink. So now I have a black one, and I think that that would look really cute like on a pink wall. And then it also came with these white letters and then this little bag that I can keep the letters in. Okay, we have 2 more things. This is an exfoliating foot mask. Probably not gonna use this, but it is by the brand Wish. It's worth $32, so it must be a pretty good foot mask. It says exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. Probably not gonna use this, but maybe my mom will. Okay, last thing is this. Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. Okay, let's just read about it. It says combat frizz. Ooh, that would be nice for me. My hair's actually not that frizzy today, but it's super flat. So combat frizz with this styling cream that smooths, conditions, and blocks humidity without weighing hair down. I think I'll use this. Oh, it says apply generously to clean damp hair from roots to ends. Comb through, style as usual. Yeah, okay, I might use this because my hair is crazy. And if you have me on Snapchat, then you would have seen, I think like, I don't exactly know when I'm posting this, but like a while ago, like maybe a week or maybe 2 weeks ago, I was posting like, I posted 2 days in a row, and I was like wearing different hairstyles. I'm trying to do something different with my hair every day. Not every day, but trying to do some different things with my hair because I don't want to wear it like natural like this every day. So yeah. Oh, by the way, this was worth $28. So here's the grand total of everything that I got. It's right here. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed watching me unbox a bunch of random stuff. And stay tuned for my next video, which should be coming out on Monday. Like I said, don't exactly know when this video is going up, but it should be in a few days when I post my next video, which I think is gonna be a really fun one. So yeah, see you on Monday. Peace out.